Hi, I am super excited. I am doing the live unboxing of my newest book. So you get to see it with me for the first time in person. This is a long time coming. I started this book shortly after I finished, I think, my Hunger Games book, which was back in probably 2013. And I was determined to not self-publish this time. But I had like a handful of rejections, and so I kind of got discouraged. I wanted to get somebody else to pick it up. And so, I can see it. I kind of, just put it on the back burner. And then I finally let my friend Cora Lynn, who helped edit my Twilight book, I let her read it. She was the only person that had read it besides me. And she liked it. She said, good characters, good dialogue. She said, finish it. I want to know how it ends. And this was probably a year ago, last summer. And so this was summer of 24. Yeah, 2024. And then Kindle had this contest. They had this new thing called Kindle Vella, and you could submit chapters. And I think they were trying to compete with some of the other formats that do that. And so I submitted what was going to be the first book of a trilogy, and did not win, but got some exposure. It gave me a deadline, so I finished that first part. And then once I finished that first part, I just couldn't stop. I knew what the next two parts were going to be. And instead of publishing it as a trilogy, I ended up just putting it all in one book. And here it is. I'm so excited. So this is Freeing Sarah. It's about a girl that meets a cowboy at a dude ranch in Grass Valley, where I spent a lot of time as a kid because I used to go to a Christian camp there. And she's actually from San Francisco. She's a city girl, but she does love horses, and she loves going there to ride horses. So the story continues with a little bit of a twist, in that the horse that was her favorite had fallen down a ravine over the winter because of a thunderstorm that scared it, and it ran and fell down a ravine. And after that, nobody could ride it anymore. So they were going to get to the point where they were going to have to put the horse down because it was too dangerous. People couldn't feed it, different things like that. So she and the cowboy she falls in love with end up taking it to a wild horse sanctuary in South Dakota, and they make the trip out there. And then when she gets back to San Francisco, they think they're gonna have happily ever after together because he's going to school at UC Berkeley, not that far from her. She's still finishing 2 more years of high school, but she runs into her old flame, Dirk, and they end up having a torrid affair, and things ensue. And then ultimately she ends up finding Christ because the cowboy's a Christian. She ends up finding Christ, and the story continues. So the plot thickens, shall we say. So I hope you'll look into it. The links are in my bio. To purchase it, you can contact me directly. I can mail it to you as well. So here's the front, and then here is the back. And it's my biggest book yet. I'm so proud of myself. And so I hope that you'll look into it, and I will be promoting it. I'm hoping to do a book signing here in Escondido at the Barnes & Noble. I haven't contacted them yet, but now that I have books in hand, I can do that, and maybe some other places as well. So go to my link tree, and you can find ways to purchase, or just message me and I can get one in the mail to you as well. And of course, you buy it directly from me, you get my autograph too. So anyway, thank you for watching. I see Debbie on here. I won't say the nickname that you had in high school if you won't say the nickname I had in high school. But good to see you on here. And just keep following me to find out more information about where I'll be signing and what events I'll be participating in to promote my book. All right, thank you.